Alright, here we have a 36-inch Hunter original in polished brass. Pecan blades. Typical for a 36-incher. Model 22290. I believe this is from 1979, but don't quote me on that. Notice it has the alphabetical serial number as opposed to the 4-digit that started in the early 80s. I think 1980, 1981, something like that. This has a Leviton pull chain. It has the off in between high and low. Despite people crapping all over the performance of these fans, I think it performs decent. It's not as great as other 36-inch fans, but it's no slouch. And because it uses a speed coil, it's a very fast low. This is like a low, this is like a medium. Hell, on newer fans, it's like a high speed. A lot of newer fans go really slow to prevent wind noise, I think. But Hunter didn't give a shit about that. You can see there's the off. And there's high. Yeah, even though low speed is really fast, there is a huge difference between low and high, which is good. There's a little spot of rust or pitting there, but other than that, this fan is in excellent shape. Like I said, I might be wrong about the serial number, so I'll grab my cheat sheet and put the real one in the title if it's wrong. Anyway, there is a polished brass Hunter 36-inch original. Robbins and Myers.